Good morning, students. Yesterday we started the new chapter, that is halogen derivative of alkanes, and we completed up to the some preparation methods of an alkyl halide. Today we are also going to start again some remaining preparation methods to prepare the alkyl halides. Here we discuss about preparation methods of alkyl halide. In the preparation methods of alkyl halides, we completed some preparation methods, that is preparation of alkyl halides by the halogenation, that is chlorination, bromination, as well as by addition of hydrogen halide to the alkene. And today we start the new method, that is preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. From alcohols and hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides. Firstly, we prepare the chlorides. Formation of alkyl chlorides. In these methods, when alcohol reacts with concentrated hydrochloric acid, presence of the ZnCl2, we use the primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide. Also, for this purpose, we use primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now, the reagent used or catalyst used are concentrated HCl plus ZnCl2 is known as the Lucas reagent. So, we taken firstly primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, which reacts with concentrated hydrochloric acid, presence of ZnCl2 and somewhat heating. Such concentrated HCl and ZnCl2 called as Lucas reagent, and it gives ethyl chloride plus water. Now, in first method, there is a primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. It gives primary alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Now, we also taken the example of the secondary alcohol. For this purpose, we taken isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol reacts with concentrated HCl, presence of ZnCl2. It gives secondary alkyl halide, that is isopropyl chloride. Plus water molecule. Similarly, primary, secondary alcohol, we also react tertiary alcohol to give tertiary alkyl halide. Here it is tertiary butyl alcohol. Which react with concentrated hydrochloric acid, and here is not need of any ZnCl2 as a Lucas reagent, it directly reacts with hydrochloric acid and gives a tertiary alkyl halide, that is tertiary butyl chloride. Plus water molecule. In this way, by using primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, we prepare the primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl halides, that is alkyl chlorides. Then we also prepared by this method as formation of alkyl bromide. Here also we require the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol to prepare the primary alkyl bromide, secondary alkyl bromide and tertiary alcohol. Therefore, first we like to this first method, here ethyl alcohol as a primary alcohol we have to taken and reaction with concentrated hydrobromic acid HBr. Presence of the sodium bromide and concentrated sulfuric acid. In this first method, this concentrated hydrobromic acid as well as sodium bromide plus concentrated sulfuric acid, they use the reaction to convert ethyl alcohol into the ethyl bromide. Plus water molecule. Now similarly, students, we convert secondary alcohol into the secondary alkyl halide. Here also we required concentrated hydrobromic acid HBr plus sodium bromide NaBr2 plus here dilute H2SO4 is required. Here important thing is that in the conversion of primary alcohol into primary alkyl halide, we use the concentrated sulfuric acid. But the conversion of the secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol into the secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl, instead of the concentrated sulfuric acid, we use the dilute sulfuric acid. Very important things there, because if instead of dilute sulfuric acid, we use the concentrated sulfuric acid, then this reaction, secondary alcohol does not convert into the secondary alkyl halide, but they convert into the elimination reaction or dehydration reaction takes place to give their alkene as a product. Therefore, for conversion of secondary alcohol into secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alcohol into tertiary alkyl halides, in case of the bromide, we use the dilute sulfuric acid instead of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Thus, from isopropyl alcohol, we prepare isopropyl bromide. Similarly, tertiary butyl alcohol react with concentrated hydrobromic acid, presence of sodium bromide and dilute sulfuric acid. We use tertiary butyl bromide plus water. Here we use the tertiary butyl bromide. So we remember that, or here important point that here for preparation of the primary alcohol to primary alkyl bromide, we use sodium bromide and concentrated sulfuric acid. Then to preparation of or to conversion of secondary alcohol into secondary alkyl bromide, we use sodium bromide plus dilute H2SO4. If we use the concentrated sulfuric acid, then this product is not formed. There is alkene formations are takes place when concentrated sulfuric acids are used. He undergoes a dehydration reaction. Similarly, in case of tertiary butyl alcohol also, we use the sodium bromide plus dilute H2SO4 and it gives a tertiary butyl bromide. But if you use the concentrated sulfuric acid, then there also again dehydration process carried out to formation of alkene strictly instead of the tertiary butyl. This is an important thing to remember, that in first step concentrated sulfuric acid, in second and third reaction we use the dilute sulfuric acid. Similarly, we also prepare alkyl iodide. In this case, simple method, that is ethyl alcohol react with hydroiodic acid and it gives ethyl iodide plus water molecule. This method is very simple one. There is no any different type of reagents needed. Only concentrated hydroiodic acid react with alcohol, it directly gives ethyl iodide. In this way, we prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol by this method also. So, from alcohol and concentrated hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid and hydroiodic, we prepare different types of alkyl halides. Now, this is the preparation methods from alcohol and concentrated hydrogen halides. We prepare different type of the alkyl halides. Important thing is that the reactivity of these different alkyl halides, to prepare different alkyl halides, the order of reactivity is the tertiary alcohol have greater reactivity than secondary alcohol than the primary alcohol. This is very important point, that the reactivity order of alcohol towards the hydroiodic acid is the tertiary alcohol are generally react faster than secondary alcohol than the primary alcohols. Thus, we complete the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol by these different methods. Then we also prepare alkyl halides by another methods also. That is, एक मिनट pause here.